He a sloppy eater. He's getting so big. Look at him compared to the other two. Okay, they're eating a Terry Howard special. So we just finished sweet potatoes, which is, you know, my dog's favorite. And what they have now is about 8 barbecue chicken that's been skinned with a little bit of sweetener, some sweetener, I mean sugar. I know I did not use the table sugar. It has mayonnaise, eggs, Greek yogurt, plain, some cranberry, a little apple cider vinegar, a little turmeric. It has vitamin, baby vitamin, and hey, trying to keep them stomachs healthy. And I have the leftover bones here, because these are Stalker favorite. Except I have to keep him from the puppy, because I'm not so sure he knows how to eat bones without getting them caught in his throat. I know the pro right there does. So, look at his face. He is not good at lapping. Look at that. Boy, look at that stomach, though.